Want to take your cake designs to the next level? Now you can with my latest sugar flower series. Learn how to make these gorgeous wildflowers out of sugar flower gum paste. Staying on trend with the latest boho chic designs that brides across the world are swooning after. In this series, you will learn how to recreate daisies, forget-me-nots, wild grass, blossoms, mushrooms and thread-top berries. Add these onto your cake designs with a few decorative feathers and you will be on your way to bringing your home bakery right on trend. Clients will be queuing at your door to purchase one of your very unique and handcrafted designs. To access these classes, just head over to the Skillshare platform with my referral link in the comments section below and enjoy 2 months free membership on me. What are you waiting for? Take your cake designs to new heights and stand out from the crowd.